Okay, done. So welcome back to probability. What is the first question?
Write down the following sets by listing their members.
Mm-hmm. Write down.
Odd integers less than 10.
Mm-hmm.
I think we did this.
We did this. We did this. No, we did up to here, up to here. I think here. Okay, development model. I think we did up to 8 also. Come to development model. I think. So there is A, there is B. I think we did these two also.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to mark it. Come here. The 11th one. In each part, draw the copy of diagram to write and shade the corresponding region. What is A intersection B?
Like the bit between A and B.
This is the portion between A and B. This is your A intersection B. A is completed. Okay. Control Z. What is B? What is meant by A complement? Other than A. So S is your universal set. A complement means other than A. The outer portion but inner side to C. Yes. The outer portion. Okay.
Okay.
And what is the next answer? Next set. A complement intersection B. So what is intersection B will be? So in the rest portion, where is B? So, and whatever the common to intersection means, this is your intersection B.
Okay.
This is your A bar intersection B. This is your A bar intersection B. And next third one, A intersection B bar. Similarly, you can think A intersection B bar could be this. This is A intersection B complement means entire B portion, and here it is a common portion. This is your C. What is A union B?
Like A and B
A and
both.
B. Only A and B. This is the portion A and B. This is A union B. What is A union B complement? So once you reach A union B complement is the rest portion. Okay.
Yeah.
What is empty set?
Like there's nothing there.
Nothing there. Empty set means nothing. Empty set we can't even mark on the diagram also. What is its complement? What is opposite to nothing?
Nothing.
Opposite to nothing.
Or everything.
Everything. So it is entire set. Entire set. So that is your F. Entire box. Box, not circles. Now, answer true or false. A is contained in B. Means this is A and here it is B. Sorry, it is B is contained in A. So A is contained in B. And also B is also contained in A. So B should also contained in A means both are same sets. Okay, this is true.
So true.
And the next one, which is the transitive property. What is the next one?
If B is contained in A and C is contained in B, then C is contained in A.
A is contained B. A is in B. There is a
Yeah,
B.
true.
This is A. A is in B. And B is in C. B is in C. Therefore, A is in C. It is also true. Okay. And moreover, the next 13. 13. P is contained in Q. P is contained in Q. Means this is P. This is P and this is contained in Q. Am I right? So now what is P union Q? This is P contained in Q. P union Q will be P as well as Q also. This is Q. Both. Union means both. So what is this set? It is Q. Similarly, P is contained in Q. Intersection port means common portion, which is P only. They are the two important properties. So 17 also I think we did. We marked it. Okay. Now 15. So there is a rule. What is this rule? Cardinality of A union B is equals to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. So it is simply you have to write it is. He is asking cardinality of A intersection B. Means this goes to this side and this comes to this side. It's a plus minus case. It is 12 plus 10 minus 17 is equals to 5. Is it clear or not? Please confirm.
Clear.
The plus minus change formula only. That's the direct formula. Show that the relationship of part A satisfies. What is A union B?
That A and B both.
Confirm the set.
So
2,
2,
3,
3,
5, 6,
5,
7,
6, 7, 8, 9.
8. What is cardinality of A union B? 3, 3, 7. Cardinality of B is number of elements, that is 6. Cardinality of A is it is 5. What is A intersection B? What are the common elements? 3, 5, 6, 8.
Yeah,
What is its cardinality is? 4. Just simply apply
4.
here. A union B is 7 is equals to 5 plus 6 minus 4, which is 7. Let's verify. So it is a formula. Cardinality of A union B is equals to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. Okay, so next it is you have to understand what the question is. Let's try the A part. I will not go for the BC. Can you read this first A part?
In a group of 20 people, there are 8 who play piano, 5 who play violin, and 3 who play both. How many people play neither instrument?
What is the total? A union B is equals to? Not A union B. Control Z. He given A. Okay. So let's take A is for piano. How many people plays piano?
8,
So now B is violin. How many plays the violin? People? 5.
5,
How many people will play both A union B? That is, it is 3.
3,
So it is how many people plays neither the instrument? Neither means no, no
not
people.
any of them.
there are 20 people are there. There are 20 people. What about A intersection B? A intersection B will be which is cardinality of A, cardinality of B minus cardinality of A union B. So this is 10. Okay. So now we have to draw a diagram. I'm making A, B. How many are in A? In A there are 8 elements. Okay. First of all, don't write A. We have to draw A intersection B. This is A, this is B. How many people are in A intersection B? Sorry, this is A intersection. No? This is A intersection. Sorry. Both means intersection. Both means intersection. Okay. It is 10. Both means. Both play means intersection.
Yeah.
So what is A is A intersection B is 3. A is 8. But already 3 is here. So therefore it is 5. B is 5. Already 3 here. It is 2. So total 10 people only. So how many people play neither? Because total is 20. So 10 people are there. They will play nothing. Similarly, in the same fashion, you have to apply this logic. So now what is A intersection P, Q, P intersection Q intersection R? From this image in the 7th.
In between all of them.
All over. So this is, I think we completed this thing also. And
Yeah, we did
okay,
this.
this is completed. Okay, and what about P intersection R means this is the portion. Union Q intersection R means Q intersection R. This is the portion. Union means the total portion. That's it. This is the total portion. And it is Q complement union, P complement union, R complement means you can also write it as P intersection, Q intersection, R whole complement. Whole complement means what is this? This is a formula. Please remember. Remember. This is a formula. P union A union B whole bar or P union P complement union Q complement union R complement is equals to A intersection P intersection Q intersection R whole complement. When whole complement is there, when it comes to the sets, intersection become union, union become intersection. So it is except this P intersection Q intersection this, you have all rest portion. You have all rest portion. So this is your C part. This is your C part. Okay, let's try. This is try to yourself. You have to get the idea. Okay, it is a little bit story only. And Venn diagram. Now it is okay. Venn diagrams and the addition theorem. Addition theorem means mutually exclusive events and disjoint. Mutually exclusive means they cannot occur together. Means their intersection is empty. Okay, and here you have to understand cannot occur together. Probability of A union B is equals to I'm just calling, see here, mutually exclusive means there is this is one event, this is another event, there is no relation between A and B. So that's why then what we can do, there is no relation, there is no common, there is no restriction. Probability of A or B will be probability of A plus probability of B formula will come. Because they cannot occur together, so it's a probability is 0. And see here, A union B is equals to this is cardinality of A union B is equals to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. So in this case our probability formula is also like this. Probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection. This is also, that's why we are studying about the sets and as well as probability. Ooh, I think I made it private. Okay, leave it now. I will not disturb you. I can't make any disturbance now. Okay, so next, see, can you read this? A die is thrown. Find the probability that is less than 3, greater than 4. Is there any relation between these two? There is no relation. Less than 3 and greater than 4, there is no common portion.
But it says, oh, okay, yeah.
We are doing two times, not doing two times.
Yeah,
We
okay.
are we are getting the data simultaneously. At a time, we are just doing. There are two events, simultaneous events. Okay. Here our requirement is less than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 3 means favorable is 1, 2. That's it. 1, 2. That's it. And greater than 4 means 5 or 6. That's it. But total 6, its probability is 2 by 3. Favorable by 2 by 6. Favorable by total, it is 1 by 3. Its probability is 2 by 6. It is favorable by 1 by 3. So it is total probability of these two events is mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. एक दूसरे से कोई लेना देना नहीं होता. Now,
Okay.
now, can you read this one?
If a card is drawn at random from a standard pack, find the probability that it is a red card or a spade.
Red card or a spade. Do you know what are the cards now? There are deck. One is deck. Deck means a total. In the deck there are four suits. What are the four
Yeah.
suits? Hearts,
Club,
spades,
heart,
spades and diamonds. Spades and diamonds. I think spades and diamond means this is a diamond. It is very clear. And this is the hearts. Okay. These are the only red.
yeah.
These are only red. So there is another thing is there. One is this thing. Another is one, two, three. This is another thing. So these are what we call them hearts and spade.
Clubs and spades.
What is this second black color?
The club and spades.
Club. One is club and spades. Okay. It is club and this is spades. So these are black color only. This is red. So red we have diamond or hearts and spades we have black only. There is no relation between to this or this. So we can evaluate what is the probability of red. Red means 13 cards are red out of 54, 52. And spade are
26.
13 out of 52. Okay. So red is 26. Red is 26. 26. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The answer is 3 by 2. Now, mutually exclusive events in multi-stage experiment. Multi-stage experiment. If three coins are tossed, find the probability of throwing an odd number of tails. We are doing three times. Okay. Odd number. How many means by how many odd number of tails? Head or tail? Head or tail? Head or tail? Odd number means what? Either tails will be one or odd number of tails means either one tail or full tail. Okay. So this is one tail cases. HTT, THT, sorry, HHT, TH, HTH, THH. This is a full tail. See here, throwing an odd number. In this odd number, we have two cases. One is 1 or this is 3. But there is no relation. The total probability will be 3 by 8. The total is 8, 3 by 8. Here only 1. This is 1 by 8. Total will be 4 by 8 will be 2. And this addition rule, as I said, that probability of A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, this is the case. This is called addition rule of the probability. And means will be empty if they are mutually exclusive. And means they are empty. There is no intersection, there is no common. That's why we don't take. We add directly probability of A plus probability of B. Intersection means and. Intersection means and. Union means or. Union means or. Or union, intersection, and operation, both mandatory. So this is your main final formula. See, can you read this question? Now here onwards you will get a little bit probability based questions. Can you read these two lines?
In a class of 30 girls, 13 play tennis, 23 play netball. If 7 girls play both sports, what is the probability that a girl chosen at random plays neither sport?
Okay. Totally 30 girls are there. 13 playing tennis, 23 plays 10 ball, netball, 17 plays both, means 7 plays both, means I retain this common portion as 7. Now I can get out of 13, 7 already in common, so this will be 6. Out of 23, 7 already in common, this will be 16. Okay, it is 16 plus 13, 29, so 1 is not playing anything. Okay, 1 is not playing anything. This is a given. So now we have to get its probability of choosing this one boy. Means there is only one student is not playing and the total are 30. Out of 31 student is not playing means favorable is 1. 30 is answer. This is your final probability. So what we call it as she plays either tennis, here neither. Let T be tennis. How many players are playing tennis? 13. 13 by 30. For netball, 23 by 30. For both, they are playing both 7 by 30. These are the probabilities you have to remember. These are the probabilities. Now A union B, who are playing both, both games, who are playing both, either or. So union means or, it is or, both, either X or Y, either tennis or netball. Okay, it is R. R means what happened? That there are totally 29 students are there either playing any one of the game. So it is 29 by 30. So out of these 29, they are playing at least one game. And we want to get that no play has to be done. So means 1 minus 4 playing, it is 1 by 30. Complementary. Complementary rule means this is your main rule. Complementary. See, probability of E is something we can evaluate favorable by total. Probability of E bar means it is opposite to E. Opposite to E means whatever its probability, so 1 minus P of E. This is the main important point. Or you can also write P of E is equals to 1 minus P of E bar. So this is the main formula. This is additive formula. Additive formula, addition rule, complementary events addition. So now we come. Okay, can you see what is the first part? A die has been rolled. If n the number of on the on the uppermost face, probability of n is equals to 5. How many are favorable? N is equals to 5. Probability to get 5.
4 out of 52.
It is not card. It is roll die.
Oh, sorry. 1 out of 6.
1 over 6. Right. Very good. Very good. And for not to get 5 means rest all. Rest all means what? Total 6. So it is 1 minus 1 over 6.
5/6.
5 over 6. That is
Oh,
5 over 6. We know it is a small example. But in generally, in order to opposite or complement of the probability, we have to do 1 minus happening of the probability. So A or B.
okay.
A or B means probability of A union B. So getting 4 and getting 5 both are different or no? Is there any link between these two? There is no link.
No,
So what is getting the probability to get 4? So 1 by 6. To get
that's 1/6.
or means it is plus 1 by 6. Now what is this D? What is this D? Probability of get 4 and as well as 5. What is its probability?
1 out of 12.
How it is possible? You have one dice. If you throw either 4 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 will come. Is it possible to have 4 and 6?
So
No.
it's only in one roll.
It's only in
Like only once. You only roll once.
you only roll once because see a die is rolled. It is not twice. It is rolled only once. That's why I asked first one. Otherwise, the previous questions are meaningless because he is throwing twice and discussing only one. The answer could be anything. So you only do rolls one. So 5 and 6 will not come. It is 0.
Okay.
What is even or odd? Even is 2, 4, 6. Odd is so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It's a 100%. 100% means the result will come. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many are odd? How many? Is there any number with neither odd nor even? No. So here your
No.
answer must be 1 only. What is neither even nor odd means opposite to this E. So it is 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Is there any number 1, 2, 6 which is neither even nor odd? ऐसा कोई नंबर है आपके पास कुछ दोनों होगा 1, 2, 3,
No.
4, 5, 6 में ये नहीं probability is 0. Even and divisible by 3 and आ गया it's different. Even and
1.
divisible by 3. Even means 2, 4, 6 and divisible by 3 means 6. Only 6. It is 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay. N is even and divisible by 3. It is 1 by 6. Or you can take what is the probability of even? Even is 3 by 6.
1/2.
That's 1 over 2. Okay, no problem. And and probability of even, one is even number, it is 1 over 2. This is for even. What about divisible by 3? How many are divisible by 3 in 1 to 6?
6.
3 and 6. This is one event A. This is another event 3 comma 6. Its probability is 2 by 6. Its probability is 2 by 6.
Okay.
But there is a common. Who is common? There is a 6 who is playing both. So that's why it is minus 1 by 6. Now you will get again it is same 1 by 6 only. Okay. What happens here? It is 3 by 2, it is a 5 by 6. 3 by 2 is 5 by 6. And minus divisible with 3. Hmm. Even and divisible by 3 is 6.
Yeah, okay.
Divisible by 3 is 2 by 6. It's a 5 by 6 minus 1. It's a 4 by 6 I am getting. N is even and divisible by 6. For even, how many even numbers? 3 even numbers. 3 by 6. Divisible by 3 is 3 and 6. Both will be divisible by 3. Therefore 2 by 6. Even and divisible by 3 is 6. That's 1 by 6. Here answer is 4 by 6. Even and divisible by 3. Probability of even number 2, 4, 6. 3 by 2. It's a 1 by 2. No problem. 1 by 2 or 3 by 6. Probability divisible by 3 is divisible by 3 is 1 comma 3. 3 comma 6. It's a 2 by 6. Okay. It is and means A union B, but they are not mutually exclusive. Okay. It is minus A intersection B. We have to do even and divisible by 3 is 6. Okay, I'll think this. I'm not wasting. I should not. What is n is even or divisible by 3? Even and or. Even means 2, 4, 6. Or divisible by 3 means you have to add one more because 3. So it is 4 by 6. Okay. Here also you have to understand it is only 1 by 6 because the favorable is only 6. This is 1 by 6 only because 6 is the only output. Can you go to the next question?
A card is selected from a regular pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card is a jack.
How many jacks are here?
4.
4 by 52. Next, A is a 10. 10 is 4 by 52. A jack or 10? A jack, or means A union B. You have to add up all. How many all? Jack and 10? Total? How many
8.
elements are there? 8. So 8 by 52. And means A intersection B.
0.
Is there any jack and 10? It is not possible. It is 0. Neither jack nor 10 means 1 minus it is full. Neither jack, no, it's not full. So it is
52 minus 8.
52 minus 8 by 52. It is 44 by 52. A black.
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Very good, very good, very good. 1 over 2. It's a 1 over 2. Okay. So black picture card. How many black picture cards?
6 over 52.
That's it. Show that the following events A and B disjoint, showing A intersection B equals to empty, and check that. 2 coins are thrown. 2 coins are thrown. One event is A getting 2 heads. Another event is getting 1 tail. Is there any relation? So its output space is different. Its output space is different. You have to add up them. This is the formula. Okay. The coin is thrown. A equals so and so. B equals so and so. We have to just verify. Show that the following A and B disjoint by showing A intersection B is equals to empty. Check A or B is equals probability of A plus probability of B. Then what happens here? Probability of A intersection B is equals to probability of A minus probability of plus probability of B, and this come to here. Minus will happen. So probability of A plus probability of B minus the same quantity, it is 0. So probability of A intersection B is 0 means there is no output. There is no expected output. It is empty. Okay. So this is the thing you have to understand. So it is committee of 2 men. Committee includes Tanya. Tanya is a female. She is woman, and it is a man. So you can add up those things. It's still a mutually exclusive events. A die has been thrown only once. If A is an event of even number appears, B is an event that a number is greater than 2 appears. Even number means 2, 4, 6. Greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6. Are they mutually exclusive? Is there any common? If common, there are not. They are not. If they common, they are not. Are they mutually exclusive? Is there any common? 4 and 6.
No.
4 and 6 both are common, so they are not exclusive. Probability of A 3 by 6, B 4 by 6, A intersection B 4 comma 6 are common. It is
2
2
by
by
6.
A union B, only one is left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it's a 5 by 6. Okay. So similarly, you can get the rest also. Huh. Now you have to give the first answer. This is important. So there is a B have been given. Probability is also given. Probability of A is 1 by 2. Probability of B is 1 by 3. Probability of A bar. We have seen that probability of E bar is equals to 1 minus probability of A. So here probability of E bar. E. So A bar is nothing but 1 minus probability of A. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. And this is 2 by 3. And what is the A intersection B? What is A intersection B? B is inside A. So when you make A intersection B, then B is equal to A intersection B is equal to B into B is from A. तो A सबसे छोटा है, B सबसे छोटा है, तो A intersection B का जो छोटापन है वो B रहेगा. So probability of A and B. So you have to apply the formula. You have to apply the formula. It is the verification, the addition rule you have to verify, or you have to get the answers. An integer n is picked up randomly from 1 to 20. The events A, B, C, D are A is even number. How many even numbers are there? Between 1 to
10.
20? 10. 10 are even number. 10 by 20. The number greater than 15 is chosen. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's a 5 by 20. So you have to do. You can do. You can do the options. It is not an issue. Can you read up this first ninth question content?
In a group of 50 students, there are 26 who study Latin, 15 who study Greek, and 8 who study both languages. Draw a Venn diagram and find the probability that a student is chosen at random.
So if you do, there are 50 students in your compartment. There are 50 students. 26 study Latin. 15 study Greek. 8 study both. So here it is 8. Then now come to 50, 26. 26 minus 4 is nothing, minus 8 is nothing, but this is 18. And what is this? It is already 8 has come. There are 15, this is 7. So what about total? 18 plus 8 plus 7. 18 plus 8 plus 7. So it is a total. Sorry, 18 plus 8. Both means minus 7. Minus 7 because in A already 8 comes, in B already 7 comes. Okay. Study only Latin means this is 18. It is 18 over 50. Study only Greek means 7 over 50. Total 50. It is 25 plus 8. 33. 17 students are there, they are nothing. So it is 17 by 50. Okay, so they are the addition rules and all. Let's go to this 12th one directly. Can you read the question? Read the question, please.
List the 25 primes less than 100. A number is drawn at random from the integers from 1 to 100. Find the probability that it is prime.
Oh, how many primes less than 100? There are 25 primes less than 100. 25 primes between 1 to 100. Okay. So what is the probability of prime number? ये आंसर आप ही देना.
1 of 5, 4.
No. Prime means how many primes? 1 over 4. Right. 1 over 4. It has remainder 1 after the division by 4. It is remainder 1 probability of, okay. Remainder 1, okay. How many numbers will get remainder 1 after 4, after divided by 4? भाई इसको समझाओ मुझे. B का समझाओ, नंबर कौन कौन से आएंगे.
So if it's divided by 4, we'd still have 1 left. So
I want the numbers suitable to that condition.
5.
5. Next. When you divide with 4, you should get a remainder 1. 9.
17.
9.
9 isn't prime,
13. What is this question?
but it has a remainder 1 after division by 4.
Asked
So it's
about
not just prime.
it may be prime, may not be prime. Previous question is prime. 25 prime, there's a 1 by 24 by 100. But this is not prime.
Oh, okay.
It is only just you have to mark only the part here. It has remainder 1 after division by 4 means it is a 13, then 17. Okay. So around, I think
So,
you will get modulo. There are 20 numbers are there like this. Not 20, I think 19 only.
yeah.
Because no, there is no. It's been started by 5. It's been started by 5. How many these kind of numbers will form? Up to 19. Because 19 5 the 19 5 the 95.
95, yeah.
Okay. And already first 4 were left. So fifth onwards it is working. And 100 will not be involved here. 101 will come. But that is out of the list.
Yeah.
So previously one lost. And even at the end it is unable to add it. It is 19 by 100. Sorry. What is the question C? Okay, now question C.
It is prime and it has remainder 1 after division by 4.
First of all, prime, then out of these 19 numbers, exclude the prime numbers. That is your work. Either prime or divided by the remainder, because the primes are subset. Oh, there is a prime, there is a 2. 2, 2. There is a 2. It will be 20 by 2 will come, 3 will come. Oh, it will come more. 19 will come. Primes are huge. They are different. They're different. Either prime, either prime, and has okay. First of all, it's a prime and a remainder 1. Means from the prime number only we have to choose. It's the intersection portion. It is either or means a union portion. You have to add up. The probability will be decreasing. And this is just your practice only. You don't need to concentrate here. And what happening in your school?
Still the derivatives
No
calculus
slip test,
stuff.
no examination, nothing.
That will be in 3 weeks, but we haven't gotten the notification yet.
बट अभी तो आपका तो फरवरी 16 या ऐसा कुछ चालू हुआ था. February 11. We've been started from February 11. February,
Yeah.
March, April, May. 3 महीने तो उड़ गया, 3.5 महीने चल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
What is 10E?
Multi-stage experiments and the product rule.
Now it will come a double stage. Can you read this?
Throw a die, then toss a coin. What is the probability of obtaining at least 2 on the die, followed by a head?
Followed by
A head.
head. Means, are they linked or no?
No.
Is it not linked? First of all, see here. So it is a two level. It's a two-stage experiment. You are throwing a die means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. And
Yeah.
you are tossing a coin means heads, tails will come. And your favorable is
Oh, okay.
first one is head. Means you need only these kind of sets. We don't want others. And this one must be at least two. At least two means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means in this also only these five are your favorable. Only 5 are your favorable. Its answer is 5 by 12. It's a restriction. So now this is the case. Probability of A into B, most important, most important. Do you know, may I share one thing? One of my experience. It's a
Yeah.
it's a motivating. It's a motivating. In mathematics, what happens? In mathematics, what happens? The concept will be very clear. This is a formula, this is a method, this is a rule, this is a function. So 1, on to analytic, differentiation, continuity, graphing, plotting, points, domain, range, dunya. But everything is fixed. There is no confusion. It's a clear cut. Okay. If if the method is right, then answer will come. Any no, you will get the unique answer only. Whatever the method you follow, you will get the same answer. And this is the thing, it attracted me to take mathematics as a profession. जब मैं मैथ्स पढ़ता था मुझे इतना ही समझ में आता है भाई जो है बस वही है, कंफ्यूजन वाला चीजें तो नहीं है.
Yeah.
2 2 4 खत्म, 2 2 4 दुनिया कोरोना दोबारा आ जाए कुछ से लेना देना नहीं है. 2 2 4 दैट्स इट. बस ट्रू टेबल आना चाहिए. तो जब ट्रू टेबल नहीं आए तो वो पढ़ नहीं रहे. तो बात यह है जब आप पढ़ोगे तो सही पढ़ते हो, गलत उसमें भी नहीं, गलत गलती से हो सकता है लेकिन कंफ्यूजिंग वाला टीम में नहीं होता. बट इसमें क्या है, प्रोबेबिलिटी में टॉस आएगा, हेड आएगा, आउटपुट क्या आएगा आपको पता है? टॉस हेड में कुछ
नहीं.
आएगा. मेरा दिमाग इसी में खड़ जाता है. आई गॉट अ फुल लेवल कंफ्यूजन. क्योंकि भाई ये तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा है, रिजल्ट तो है ही नहीं, इसमें पढ़ के क्या करोगे? क्योंकि रिजल्ट तो तुम्हारे हाथ में है ही नहीं. अब आएगा तो आएगा, जब हेड आएगा तो हेड ही आएगा, टेल आएगा तो टेल ही आएगा, हमारा क्या लेना देना, आने दो. तो जब आएगा तब देख लिया जाएगा ना, बिकॉज द रिजल्ट विल कम. इन मैथमेटिक्स रिजल्ट, हाँ रिजल्ट 2 है, आंसर इतना है. अब ये सही कि नहीं भाई चेक करो, वेरीफाई कर लो. अब इसको कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? तो मेरा दिमाग में स्टैटिस्टिक का भूत बैठा हुआ. ग्रेजुएशन में मैथमेटिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, कंप्यूटर्स पढ़ा था इन माय ग्रेजुएशन. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एबल टू टीच केमिस्ट्री, इवन some biology also, no issue. Physics it's a math application only. Sciences I teach all. लेकिन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में उसमें मैथ स्टार्ट्स अलग होता है। चलो मैंने अलग, फिर स्टार्ट्स आता ही नहीं है, मैथ प्रोबेबिलिटी आता ही नहीं है, ये आएगा वो आएगा फलाना डिप का हेड डिटेल। अरे भाई जब टॉस करो तभी रिजल्ट आएगा, वरना तो नहीं है, ये हम इसको मानेंगे नहीं, ये सब झूठा पड़ रहा है। मैं तो दिमाग में ऐसे ही होता था। एक इंटरव्यू दिया, उन्होंने ये सवाल पूछा था, वो मेरा दोस्त है, अरे बहुत अच्छा है, के श्रीनिवास, बहुत अच्छा उसका नाम है श्रीनिवास, नहीं कुछ और ही था, श्रीनिवास ही है शायद, भूल गया था मैं। अरे उन्होंने वो देवर इंस्पायर्ड बाय मी,
Okay.
बहुत इंस्पायर कर रहे वो, मैंने बहुत इंस्पिरेशन दे दिया उनको। उन्होंने एक सवाल पूछा, सर आप क्या क्या पढ़ा सकते हो, तेलुगु में पूछा। भाई स्टैट्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी से अलावा कुछ भी मैथमेटिक्स का पेपर दे दो, मुझे आता ही है। मैंने सीधे सीधे यही बोला इंटरव्यू में, सर प्रोबेबिलिटी स्टैट्स मत दो, बाकी कुछ भी दे दो मैं पढ़ाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं मास्टर हूँ उसमें। पढ़ के मास्टर आईआईटी से पढ़ के आया, तो इतना तो नहीं पढ़ाएंगे तो फिर पढ़ के क्या फायदा। मैंने सोचा था प्रोबेबिलिटी स्टार्ट्स मत देना, वो मेरा एलर्जी है, मुझे आता नहीं है, मुझे उसमें देखना भी नहीं है। बट बहुत अच्छी चीज है प्रोबेबिलिटी स्टार्ट्स, बहुत अच्छी चीज है। अब बड़े होने के बाद तो वो दूर हो गया, अब तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Yeah.
और दूसरा एक और इंटरव्यू दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में भी यही सवाल की, यही जवाब दे दिया था, कोई प्रोबेबिलिटी स्टार्ट्स पेपर मत दो, बाकी कोई भी पेपर दे दो आप मुझे, मैथ ये टॉपिक, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स, ये रियल, ये वो मत, कुछ मत बोलो भाई, जो भी मैथमेटिक्स है मैं हकदार हूँ, मैथमेटिक्स की टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ाएगा तो मैं बेकार। मैंने 2 इंटरव्यू में ऐसे जवाब दे दिया। फिर दौलतराम में पिछले 12 साल 13 साल काम किया था एज अ प्रोफेसर, तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं था। फिर मैं आपको ये चीज़, हाँ बात ये है, एक और चीज़ याद आया था, बोलने के लिए भूल गया था, ठीक है। एक चीज़ याद आया था, भूल गया था, थोड़ी देर में आया था। हाँ, उन लोगों का जो मोटिवेशन था ना, भाई मैं सरेंडर नहीं करता, मेरे से ये दिक्कत है, मैं ना
Yeah.
चीज़ों को या हार को इतना आसानी से मानते नहीं है। अगर यदि हमें कहीं इंसल्टिंग फील होता है ना, गुस्सा बैठाएंगे, देखेंगे भाई जब मेरा मौका आएगा ऐसा मार मारेंगे, ऐसा मार मारेंगे, तुम 10 जन्म तक याद ही रखोगे नरेश ने ऐसा किया है। इतना इंसल्ट करेंगे, इतना इंसल्ट, मेरा एक इंसल्ट तेरा 100 इंसल्ट के बराबर। मैं ना थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
इसमें जिद हूँ, इसमें बहुत ही जिद हूँ मैं, डांट खाता नहीं हूँ। जब डांट खाएंगे ना, हमारा कुछ गलती होगा, तभी हमारे एक वो मूवी होती है तेलुगु में ना, एक मूवी है नहीं, इंदिरा सेना रेड्डी करके, या दिलेर का हिंदी का कुछ रंजू का मूवी होता है, उसमें एक फेमस
Okay.
डायलॉग है, गलती मेरे तरफ है इसीलिए सर नीचे करके जा रहे हैं, वरना तो सर काट के जाता। इतना मतलब, गलती मेरे तरफ है ना, हाँ भाई अब चुप रहो, हमारा गलती है, तुम बोल नहीं सकते हैं, हक ही नहीं बन गया, गलती सामने रखे तुम कैसे बात कर सकते हो।
Yeah.
लेकिन जब गलती हमारा नहीं होता, भाई हम जीतते। और हाँ अब याद आया था, वो जो हमारा जो क्वालिफिकेशन एग्जाम होता है नेट का, अभी जो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में मैंने नेट का ही पढ़ा रहा था, उस इंटरव्यू पे वो उसमें रिटन एग्जाम होता है, वहाँ पे उस समय 2 पेपर्स होता था, पेपर 1 पेपर 2। पेपर 2 का जो टीचर है उसको पता नहीं है पेपर कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना है, वो जो एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में, हाईली नेशनल वाइड कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम है, और पहले एग्जाम जो नहीं लिखता है ना, उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर आता नहीं है, वो बगल में रख देता है, क्वेश्चन पेपर देता ही नहीं है,
Okay.
और उसको पता नहीं है, और खाली खाली जगह पेपर रखते गई। समझ में आया?
Yeah.
अगर यदि पहला 20 में से 10 लोग आया, और पहला आने के बाद तीसरा आया, तीसरा आने के बाद 7वां आया, तो ऐसे 10 ही आएंगे,
Yeah.
क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर भी उन्हीं को देना है जिन्होंने पहले आया था। ये 1 को दिया, उसके बाद 3 को देना है, उसको पता नहीं वो 2 के भी रखी है, 3 को भी दिया, 4 5 6 को भी दे दिया, वो तो आया ही नहीं, वो तो आएगा ही नहीं। पहला पेपर दिया नहीं तो बेकार है, रिजल्ट फेल, क्योंकि पहला पेपर
Yeah.
पास होगा तो सेकंड पेपर का एवेल्यूशन होता है, बहुत बहुत प्रॉब्लम है। तो मुझे तो गुस्सा बहुत चढ़ा है भाई, हमारा 3 घंटा पेपर टाइम पे दो, बस हमें चाहिए पेपर, क्योंकि वापस एंड टाइम में वो पेपर देते नहीं है। तो उसमें
Yeah.
10 क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है, 10 क्वेश्चन के एक एक क्वेश्चन 20 20 नंबर के होते हैं, 200 मार्क्स के पेपर। पहला जो मॉर्निंग
Okay.
होता है पेपर वो भी 200 मार्क्स का है, आफ्टरनून का भी 200 मार्क्स का है, टोटल 400 मार्क्स की होती है। पहला पेपर जिसका रिजल्ट, उसका रिजल्ट भी अजब से आता है। पहला पेपर रिजल्ट निकाल देता है,
Okay.
मतलब इन लोगों का पहला पेपर क्लियर है, जिसका क्लियर है उसी का आंसर शीट निकालेंगे और उसका चेक करेंगे, बाकी के चेक करेंगे ही नहीं क्योंकि वो तो
Okay.
फेल ही है।
Yeah.
मुझे दोनों पास होना था और मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना था, मेरा पहला पेपर क्लियर है, मतलब घर आने के बाद क्रॉस चेक करते हैं भाई कितना सही है कितना गलत है। भाई
Yeah.
मैंने चेक किया, 200 के लिए मेरा 112 कुछ बन रहे हैं। तो नॉर्मल ऑन
Okay.
एंड एवरेज पिछले 3-4 साल के जो कट ऑफ मैंने देखा था वो तो 102, कभी कभी 95, किस्मत खराब भी हो गई तो 120, मतलब
Yeah.
3-4 नंबर का उधर इधर है। बट सेकंड पेपर में जो किया है ना, उसमें 40 क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है, 42 क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है, और उसमें से 10
Okay.
क्वेश्चन करना है, एक एक क्वेश्चन 20-20 नंबर की है।
Okay.
तो नॉर्मली सेकंड पेपर में उतना वेटेज नहीं होता क्योंकि ऑलरेडी क्वालिटी, फालतू क्वालिटी निकल चुका है, जो पेपर
Yeah.
क्लियर है उन्हीं का पेपर सेपरेट करते हैं, तो ऑलमोस्ट आ जाता है। बट मेरा सेकंड पेपर टना टन, मैंने 10 क्वेश्चन करने थे, 10 को 10 करके आया था एकदम राइट, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस उतना। और वहाँ एक साइंस मैडम थी, मेरा जो प्राइवेट कॉलेज में जब काम करता था, और उस मैडम को ना जब रिजल्ट आया था ना, सुबह देखा था रिजल्ट आ गया था, उन्होंने पूछी नरेश तुम्हारा रिजल्ट क्या हुआ, मैडम नहीं आया। मैंने सोचा था उसका एक्सप्रेशन कैसा होता है, मैडम नहीं आया। और एक और मेरा ये जो मैंने के श्रीनिवास का कुछ वो बोला था ना, वही सर ने
Yeah.
बोला, वो क्या बोला पता, नरेश मेरा जो फ्रेंड सर्किल में है, केमिस्ट्री में जिसका नेट क्लियर हुआ, उसमें दो तरीके के होते हैं, नेट आखिरी वालों को होता है, जो टॉपर्स को ना नेट प्लस जेआरएफ दोनों दिया जाता है।
Okay.
तो सेकंड मतलब सेकंड हाफ में जो क्वालिफाइड में सेकंड हाफ में होता है उसका सिर्फ नेट बोलते हैं, नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी लिस्ट फॉर द लेक्चरर।
Okay.
और फर्स्ट हाफ में होता है जूनियर रिसर्च फेलो, जहां भी आप रिसर्च करोगे आपको फेलोशिप देगा 5 साल और मिशन। तो मेरा फ्रेंड ने बोला था, जो इंटरव्यू मेरा लिया था, नरेश मेरा फ्रेंड में केमिस्ट्री में जिसका नेट क्लियर हुआ है मैंने उसको देखा है, मतलब वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ना उतना मिलता ही नहीं है, वो तो लोग क्लियर करते नहीं। और
Yeah.
जो मैडम थी, वो मैडम ने बोली थी नरेश क्या हुआ, मैडम आई नहीं है, क्लियर नहीं हुआ। और मैंने उस एग्जाम के लिए सिर्फ 15 दिन ही पढ़ा था क्योंकि दिन भर तो कॉलेज में पढ़ाना था, 15 दिन ही पढ़ा था, लेकिन हर दिन 15-15, 16-16, 17-17 पागल जैसे पढ़ लिया था। सब रिवाइज करो, रिवाइज करते रहो करते रहो करते रहो, क्योंकि कभी कभी मिलता। और ये जो मैडम ने बोली थी, आपसे थोड़ी हो सकता है, अरे वो बहुत 2 साल बीबी बाल बच्चों को छोड़ के अलग से एक ऋषि जैसे मेहनत करता है, तब उन लोगों का निकालता है, तुम्हारा थोड़ी निकालेगा, निकलेगा। ये एक दूसरा एक्सपीरियंस है। और उसी कॉलेज में एक और टीचर भी है, उन्होंने बोलता है, मतलब ही सेज दैट नेट नरेश, मतलब नरेश के सिर्फ नेट क्लियर हो, मतलब इतना इतना नेगेटिव नैरो माइंडेड। अरे सर आप डोंट कॉल मी एज नेट नरेश, कॉल मी एज जेआरएफ नरेश, so I need JRF also, call me as JRF Naresh. No, 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 no. I will call net Naresh only. हाँ, भाई आपकी मर्जी, जैसे मर्जी बुलाना बुला लो। फिर मैंने
Yeah.
5:30 बजे को बोला था मैडम को, मैडम सुबह से मैंने आपको एक झूठ बोला था, मेरा नेट भी क्लियर है, जेआरएफ भी क्लियर है, तो मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ, उधर जॉब करेंगे, राम राम तुम्हारा कॉलेज का। और एक दूसरे जो मैंने बोला था श्रीनिवास सर करके, और उसको मैंने बोला था सर आपके दोस्तों में जिसका नेट क्लियर हुआ, वो भी दूसरे सब्जेक्ट का, आप तो मैथमेटिक्स है, आपको मैथ्स का पता होना चाहिए, आप जिसका दूसरे सब्जेक्ट है उसमें नेट पता है, आज से आपको ये पता है अपना ही सब्जेक्ट में जेआरएफ क्लियर है, वो भी पता है। वो कौन है, वो तो मैं ही हूँ। ठीक है, तो भाई जिद्दी से पढ़ना होता है, बहुत मेहनत करना है, बहुत मेहनत करो, कभी सरेंडर नहीं करना, कभी भी सरेंडर नहीं करना। हम थोड़ा सा एक कदम पीछे जा सकते हैं, लेकिन भाई सबको दिखाना है, सबको दिखाना, हमें कुछ, हम कुछ ले आएंगे थोड़ी, ले जाएंगे थोड़ी, ठीक है, मेरा जो है ना दिमाग साधु संत वाला दिमाग होता है, हमें क्वालिटी थिंकिंग की सोच होती है। ये पैसे, लालच, मोह, माया, भाड़ में जाओ, हम इसको ले जाएंगे ही नहीं। हम यहाँ, ये सब बकवास है, ये सब बकवास है। लिव लाइक ए क्वालिटी, बिकॉज यू शुड आंसरेबल टू योर सेल्फ, दैट्स इट। ओके, आई थिंक मैंने
Yeah.
आपका कुछ ज़्यादा ही टाइम ले लिया था। तो ये है ना, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी, ये इसी के चक्कर में ये सब इसीलिए बोला था। ये प्रोबेबिलिटी कंफ्यूज करता है। पहला, दो इवेंट्स है, एक दूसरे का लेना देना नहीं है, चलो ठीक है, वो अलग है, ये अलग है, बना दिया प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी। इसका किसी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो ये खत्म कहानी। एक अब का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, तो हम उसको जोड़ सकते हैं। एंड अब यहाँ पहला हेड आएगा तो दूसरी कहानी, टेल आएगा तो दूसरी कहानी। तो इसका मतलब है, जो सेकंड इवेंट है वो पहला इवेंट के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। हेड आएगा तब उसके अंदर देखना है, टेल आएगा तो देखना ही है, खत्म कहानी। Okay, so that is the thing. This is not mutually exclusive. This is not mutually exclusive. This is not mutually exclusive. Okay, so next
Okay.
and next uh, next we will see, and we call it two-stage experiment. See, probability of A and B are events in successive independent stages. Successive independent stage means पहला एक इवेंट कंप्लीट है, तो नेक्स्ट दूसरा इवेंट है। ओके, इट इज सक्सेसिव इंडिपेंडेंट। इंडिपेंडेंट मींस हम उसको रोकेंगे नहीं, इसका करना ही करना है, टास्क इसका भी करना है। ये टास्क आएगा तो ये टास्क नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा तो नहीं है। तो दिस इज वन फुल इवेंट, दिस इज वन फुल इवेंट, एन इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट। इसका इसका रोकना नहीं है, इट इज नॉट डिपेंडिंग। ऑफ कोर्स आउटकम्स आर डिपेंडिंग, दैट इज नॉट अ मैटर। Okay, successive independent stages of two-stage experiment, then probability of A and AB is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Means outcome of one test. See here, can you read? Can you read? Can you read? The
Well, the
word
word
Mhm.
independent means that the outcome of one stage does not affect the probabilities of the other stage.
हाँ, अब पहला हेड आया, दूसरा आपने डाई थ्रो किया, इसका इसका तो कोई लेना देना तो नहीं है ना, दिस इज अलग है, ये भी अलग है। So these are independent events. Okay. Choose an elector at random from NSW population. First, note that the elector is gender. Then ask the elector if he or she voted for Labour or non-Labour in the last state election. तो पहला जेंडर देखोगे, तो बाद में क्या देखोगे, वो लेबर पार्टी को वोट किया कि नॉन लेबर पार्टी को वोट किया लास्ट इलेक्शन में, वो पूछा जाएगा। उसका इसका कोई लेना, दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स। ओके, देयर इज नो कॉमन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। And here independence and that for correlation between them, there is a correlation word is also there. There is a correlation means, see, correlation coefficient, correlation is there. For example, this is 5 rupee coin. What is the quantity? What is this coin? It's a 5 rupee coin. It's a 5. 5 is nothing but a numerical quantity, na?
Yeah.
5 is a numerical quantity. For example, there is a data, not single data. There is a group data. Group data means एक नहीं होता, वहाँ 100, 200 या 10, 50 या ऐसा कुछ ग्रुप की डाटा होती है। तो क्लास, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक अ क्लासरूम, there are 50 students. Some of them, for pass it is, for pass it is for pass marks it is 30, 40. Okay, but average marks भी कुछ होते हैं, एवरेज पास कितना था। तो मीन्स पास होने के बाद जितने भी लोग होते हैं उसका एवरेज की डाटा निकालते हैं, एक एवरेज, एक मिडिल मोस्ट नंबर रखते हैं, ताकि वो सेंट्रल, मतलब ऑन एंड एवरेज इतना था। उस मीन को अगर ये बहुत ज्यादा लोग 90 के ऊपर है, इसका मतलब है उसकी कोरिलेशन ज्यादा है, या 90
Okay.
मतलब ज्यादा लोग उस मीडियन को दूर है। तो इसको कोरिलेशन ज़्यादा है। और ज़्यादा लोग जो आप मीडियन बोल रहे हैं, जो मिडिल मोस्ट वैल्यू को बोल रहे हो, उसकी नज़दीकी है, तो इसका मतलब इसका कोरिलेशन बहुत कम है, मतलब डाटा इज एक्सेप्टेबल। और कोरिलेशन होता है 0 एंड 1 के बीच में, 0 एंड 1 के बीच में। अब 0 एंड 1 तो कोरिलेशन में बहुत कम जगह मिलता है, बट 0 का मतलब है द मीडियन। कोरिलेशन ओवर फैक्टर होता है ऑलरेडी, मीडियन या मीडियम मोर ऐसा कुछ लेते हैं। तो उस वैल्यू के लिए जो डाटा उसके कितने दूर है, कितने नजदीक है, ये एनालिसिस होता है। स्कैटर्ड डाटा में ये सारे ऑब्जर्वेशन होते हैं, ये जरूरी है कोरिलेशन, वो आपको बाद में पता चलेगा। एंड नाउ अब यहाँ एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं। we'll see then stop here. A pair of dice is thrown twice, या तो हम इसी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। ओके, so tomorrow I will take a full length chemistry.
Okay.
Is it okay? But chemistry also you
Yeah.
have to do practice. There are numerical portion. It is to practice chemistry also. Even missing classes भी आप संडे भी 1 घंटे दे दो। Okay. Okay.
Okay.
How will you how do you feel in my class? I am a good teacher. I am a friendly teacher. I am the boring or I am the nuisance. What do you feel?
No, you're a good teacher. You're engaging.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you. Sometimes ना I might get bored because ना कभी कभी फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है, क्योंकि ना वर्क
Yeah.
प्रेशर इतना बढ़ता है, वर्क प्रेशर बढ़ता है। पहले क्या होता था, मैं अपना स्कूल में जब पढ़ाता था, जो 3-4 महीने पहले, तो वहाँ पे सुबह 8 बजे से शाम 6 बजे तक एंगेज करता है। तो इसीलिए आपके
Oh,
यहाँ पे
yeah.
मॉर्निंग 8 ऑनवर्ड्स इवनिंग 6, इट इज प्राइमरी, इट्स हाई स्कूल। वहाँ पे वो खड़े होने
Yeah.
भी नहीं देता है मुझे, एक एक मिनट भी होने नहीं देता। और मैं जैसा पागल जैसा काम करता हूँ, मैं खाली बैठता थोड़ी, मैं तो बंदर जैसे उसे ऊपर ऊपर टांगता हूँ, उधर उधर घूमता
Yeah.
रहता हूँ। मैं आई एम नॉट ए काम फ्रेंड ऑफ। तो क्योंकि गुस्सा ज़्यादा है ना, हमने मेरा खुद का गुस्सा ज़्यादा होता है, बट आजकल थोड़ा सा कम कर दिया। तो उसमें क्या होता था, मैं पागल जैसा पढ़ाता था, पढ़ो ये क्लास करो वो। 10 घंटे 12 घंटे में 10 क्लासेस 10 घंटे पढ़ाता था। और वो घर आने जाने के
Okay.
बाद थक जाते हैं, वो बैठने भी नहीं देता, क्लासरूम में बैठना मना है, उन्होंने चेयर हटा दिया था। बैठेगा तो हैदराबाद की सेंट्रल ऑफिस से देखता है फलाना टीचर बैठा है, उसको बोलो खड़े होकर क्लास पढ़ाए। वो बोलते जैसे 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 जैसे। तो एक दिन बहुत गुस्सा आ गया, इतना मेहनत में दिल्ली में जाके कर रहा था, तो एक का जगह एक नाव खरीद लेता है। ऐसा कोई मूवी में डायलॉग होता है ना, वो जो चुप चुप के
Yeah.
मूवी में ना, राजपाल यादव वो जूते साफ करता है, कपड़े धोता है,
Yeah. Yeah.
उन्होंने ऐसा गुस्से में करता है, इतना ज्यादा मेहनत में अपने आप से कर लेता, एक से एक उसमें ना वो नाव चलाते हैं, नाव चलाने वाला का वो अटेंडर
Yeah.
असिस्टेंट है, तो इतना ज्यादा मेहनत में खुद ही कर लेता, एक से एक नाव खरीद लेता, मतलब बहुत बड़ा नाव खरीद लेता। तो मैंने
Yeah.
तभी यही
Yeah.
समझा था, भाई इतना ज्यादा मेहनत में दिल्ली में खरीद लेता, दिल्ली में कर लेता, तो यहाँ तो 30,000 दे रहा हुआ था, 3 लाख तक खरीद कमा सकता हो ना। मतलब कमाना बात नहीं है, बट वाई आई एम गिविंग useless services to them because they are not recognizing। तो भाई एक
Yeah.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन में मैं अपने दोस्तों को, फिर जैसे मूवी में होता ना, मूवी में वो जो इंदिरा सेना रेड्डी मूवी जो है ना, मैंने जो बात बोला
Yeah.
था, जो उसमें भी यही होता है। वो कोई और जगह पे, हमारा जो साउथ इंडिया में ना, आंध्र प्रदेश में एक फैक्शनिस्ट होते हैं, फैक्शनिस्ट में मारपीट करने वाले लोग होते हैं। रायलसीमा मीन्स
Okay.
दैट इज द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश, मिडिल साउथ साइड। तो वहाँ एक जगह बहुत मारपीट करके वो काशी में जाके बैठता है, वो बस जाता है। तो जब वापस वापस जाता है ना, तो पुराने यादें, पुराने गुंडागर्दी सब दिखाई देता है ना। तो मैंने ऐसे एक संडे दोस्तों को कॉल किया था, भाई यहाँ से मेरा फट रही है, मतलब डोंट डोंट टेक इट, इट्स नॉट नेगेटिव कमेंट। यहाँ पे मेरा पॉपकॉर्न हो रहे हैं, दिन में 10-10 घंटे में काम नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, फिर मेरा ट्यूशन भी तो है मुझे करना था, और भाई कोई वैकेंसी है तो बता दो। तो फटाक से दो लोग ने मुझे इमिडिएटली शाम तक मैसेज किया, 2 दिन के अंदर दिल्ली जंप। और फिर वापस मैंने उन लोगों को नमस्ते तक नहीं बोला, उसको मैसेज तक नहीं किया, जो बाढ़ में जाओ, तुम दिमाग खराब करते हो। तो बट आई हैव
Yeah.
रेस्पेक्ट ऑन देम, आई हैव रेस्पेक्ट ऑन देम। किसी भी लोगों को डिसरेस्पेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दे आर अर्थिंग। ओके, ओके, ओके। नाउ माय मोटिवेशन हैज कंप्लीटेड बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग स्लीपी ना, दैट्स व्हाई। Actually, I'm teaching. I'm teaching one student who is from Georgia, United States, and he is most advanced. He is seventh class, sixth completed, but he has 12th mind. He can do magic. He can do magic. He's reading. His parents are providing such an environment. So just train him. मुझे ऐसा freedom दे दिया भाई आपको जो पढ़ाना पढ़ाओ इसको और बता दो because their parent feedback is he is in the advanced mode but he must be has to be a gifted student means everything वो अपने आप खुद कर ले okay okay now I will stop because morning at 4:30 I took that class so that's why and that onwards I am awake only okay a pair of dice is thrown twice wait just a second a pair of dice a pair of dice is thrown twice what is the probability the first throw is double and the second throw is sum at least 4 sum at least 4 okay so what are the doubles how many doubles are there how many doubles are there
6.
6 the double probability is 6 by 36 so it is double probability and what is probability of sum at least 4 sum at least 4 means at least sum is less than 4 at least 4 sum is at least 4 at least 4 at least 4 I think but he took less than 4 sum at least 4 he didn't take and 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 1 comma 2 gives sum at least 4 okay sum it is a less than 4 sum is less than 4 the answer is 11 by
33.
33 by 36 because the two stages are independent independent means
Yeah.
उसका इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है उसका आउटपुट में इसका आउटपुट में कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है so they are independent so the first output have a look into more once again independent means outcome of one stage does not affect the probabilities of other I tell you I tell you for example this is a mug can you see my mug
Yeah.
in this there are three red balls three blue colored balls okay
Okay.
I am taking one ball I got one ball
Yeah.
okay so there might be some probability what is the probability of blue if three blue and
Uh,
three red
1/2.
1 over 2 if I keep this ball outside again I am taking what is the probability of blue
2/6.
2 over
2/5.
5 this is impacted na? So this is not dependency this is not independent but if I keep the ball inside again and doing taking one ball that is independent clear so how the outcomes are affecting the first outcome is affecting means if you keep the same back that is independent that is same this is same their output set is same this output set is same but if you do some nuisance in the first event means you are not adding the same back they are not here and see here because we are throwing numbers we got what is the first output is different getting double second output is different it is 1 1 2 1 1 2 there is nothing is double okay so outputs are both totally
Yeah.
different so it is 11 by 12 and the total sum total double and sum is nothing but 11 by 72 you have to do product and you can do multi-stage means there are many stages and all stage have equal independent activities so we can do product a coin tossed 5 times what is the probability of every toss is a head one oh, what is the probability it's a 1 over 6 1 over 2 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 so how many times you are tossing a coin 5 times 5 times head tail head tail head tail you will get 2 power 5 outputs. Okay, you will get 2 power 5 outcomes. In that, all heads are only 1. All heads are only 1. So for this, for every toss having a head means 5 head has to come. Only 5 heads. How many 5 heads are possible when 5 times I throw coin? अगर यदि किसी coin है 5 times thrown है,
5.
how many 5 times head will come? Head, 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 head. Only one possibility. Okay, the probability is 1 over 2
Yeah.
power 5. And here also, for the first head tail, head 1 by 2. For the second throw, head tail, head 1 by 2, head 1 by 2, head 1 by 2, head 1 by 2. Do the product, it is again 1 over 2 power. Okay, no toss is a head. No toss is a head means कोई भी head नहीं आना चाहिए. Means सबके सब tails आना चाहिए. यही है ना, सबके सब tails
Yeah.
आना, तो वो भी same है. No toss is head means every toss is tail. Every toss is tail means tail, 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 tail. So total 32, only one tail, 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 1 over 32. Or in the first event, you have one head, one tail into, 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 it's a 1 over 32. That's a 1 over 245. 3 is at least one. There is at least one head. अब भाई इसका बताओ, इसका बताओ मुझे, आंसर बताओ. ये वाला फार्मूला नहीं, ये वाला फार्मूला नहीं, बस इसका बताओ. There is at least one head. What is the answer?
Oh.
कम से कम एक हेड आना चाहिए.
1 in 10.
कम से कम एक हेड आने का मतलब है कोई भी हेड ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब see what is the probability, what is actually total 32 can I write? Head, 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 head. Sorry, this is first. Next, head, 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 tail. This is second. Okay, so next, head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail, tail. Now change here. So if you do like this, you will get 36. And out of
Okay.
36, the last one is tail, tail, tail. So this is having full head. Okay, at least one head. मतलब this ये नहीं है. So it is at least one head means it is 31 out of 32. Is it clear?
Okay.
It
Clear.
means it is 31 out of 32. At least one head means सबके सब tails है. बस यही है. It's 1 minus 1 over 32. You can also see here the output. It is an example only. See here 1 over 32. 1 over 32. It's a product, simply product. Okay, and at least one head means 1 minus no head. No head means all tails. It is same. Now can you see? Can you read this heading?
Sampling without replacement, an extension of the product rule.
Sampling without replacement. Without replacement. The product rule can be extended to the following question. The two stages of experiments are not independent. Without replacement means निकाला, बाहर रख दिया, खत्म, फिर वापस जोड़ा नहीं है, वो तो इंडिपेंडेंट है ही नहीं, बिकॉज आपका जो बेसिक जो नंबर ऑफ आउटपुट्स है उसको हमने छेड़छाड़. नाउ कैन यू रीड द एग्जांपल 17.
A box contains 5 discs numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Two numbers are drawn in succession without replacement. What is the probability that both are even?
What is the probability that both are even? I am taking, I should have one paper. Let's do some good activity. There are 5 numbers. This are there. 5 numbers. This are there. So it is my first disk, second disk, third disk, fourth disk, fifth disk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just breaking the sheet. This is number disk. This is another number disk. This is one more disk. This is one more disk. So I'm just folding. Just folding. 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 So I have 5 disks. Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 numbers drawn in succession. 2 numbers drawn in succession. मैंने एक डाल दिया, इसमें से
Okay.
एक निकाला. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बोथ. अब ये इवन होने के लिए कितना प्रोबेबिलिटी है?
2 out of 5.
2 out of 5 because 2, 4 both are even. 2 out of 5.
Yeah.
इसको बगल में रख दिया. अब यहाँ पे कितना है? 4 है. दूसरा उठाया. ये इवन होने के लिए कितना प्रोबेबिलिटी है?
2 out of 4.
2 out of 4. बट बोथ इवन के लिए, क्योंकि उसको ऑलरेडी इवन मान के गया है. अब इसमें कितने इवेंट होनी है? एक ही इवन हो. 1 out of 4.
Okay.
I'm doing again. 5 disks are there. First one even, second one even. ये इवन के लिए ले रहा हूं मैं. ये इवन हो या ना हो मुझे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ये इवन के लिए 2, 4 दोनों है. दिस इज 2 over 5. मैंने 2 over 5 का बगल में रख दिया. मेरे फेवरेबल के हिसाब से ऑलरेडी एक इवन तो आ चुका है, दूसरा भी इवन होना है. इसमें एक ही इवन होगी क्योंकि है ही तो 2.
Okay.
ये भी
Okay.
इवन है बट यहाँ पे 4 है, तो यहाँ पे एक ही इवन है क्योंकि वो इवन यहाँ से नहीं है. वहाँ आ चुका नहीं आ चुका. ऑलरेडी एक इवन के लिए मैंने हटा दिया था. वो इवन वाला ही है. वो आए ना आए मुझे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, बट वो इवन के लिए. अब दूसरा भी इवन के लिए इसमें तो एक ही होना चाहिए. एक ऑलरेडी जा चुका है, दूसरे इवन के लिए खत्म. ठीक है. दूसरे इवन के
Okay.
लिए इसमें एक ही इवन नंबर है, मतलब जो बचा हुआ इवन नंबर एक घटा दोगे. अगर यदि मैं यहाँ से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ले लेता. 2 और जोड़ लेते हैं. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसमें से भी मुझे 2 ही इवन आना है. ये भी जोड़ दिया, ये भी जोड़ दिया, ये भी जोड़ दिया, ये भी जोड़ दिया. अब मेरे पास 9 डिस्क. 9 डिस्क से मुझे सिर्फ मैं 2 बार ही टास्क करूंगा, बट विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट. उसको वापस नहीं रखेंगे. तो ये डाल दिया, एक उठाया. अब ये इवन होने के लिए कितना प्रोबेबिलिटी है? 4/9. Is it right or no?
Yeah.
ये 4/9. मेरे पास 2 ही इवन आना है. एक 4/9 आ चुका है, बगल में रख दिया. अब मैंने इसको शफल किया, इसमें से एक और उठाया. तो अब इसके अंदर 80 है, बट ऑलरेडी एक इवन जा चुका है. तो दूसरा इवन के लिए कितने इवन है? 3/8. Okay, so the total is 12 by 72. This is probability. एंड आप भी एक बार ट्राई करो ये एग्जांपल, ध्यान से देखो ये आ जाएगी. You can also try. You can also try. Okay, it is 2 by 5. It is 1 by 4. Totally 2 by 20. It's a 1 by 10. See, the graph is right allows the calculation to be checked by examination full sample space. See, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. अब पहला इवन आने के लिए फर्स्ट वाला हमने थ्रो किया. okay? एक आ गया, एक आ चुका है, 1 आ गया, उसका एक केस बनेगी. या तो 2 आ चुका है, या तो 3 आ चुका है, या तो 4 आ चुका है, या तो 5 आ चुका है. फिर दूसरा इवन के लिए देखिएगा, फर्स्ट ये आ चुका है 1, दूसरा ये इवन आएगा तो फिर यही आएगी फेवरेबल. इसमें इवन तो इट्स 2 4 दोनों फेवरेबल है. इसमें ये ऑलरेडी 4 आ चुका है तो 2 फेवरेबल है. इसमें बाकी सारे फेवरेबल है. ठीक है, तो ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए. टोटल 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 पॉसिबल. अब इसको छोड़ो, मेरा शायद मुझे लगता है ये आपको थोड़ा सा और दोबारा थिंक करो, आपको समझ में आएगा हमें इसको कैसे करते हैं. इसका जनरलाइजेशन भी होगा शायद, इसका जनरलाइजेशन प्रॉपर्टी भी होगा. सी, ये एग्जांपल भी लिस्टिंग फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, लिस्टिंग फेवरेबल आउटकम्स. सो नाउ अब ये देखो, ये और अच्छे से बनाया था. अ कॉइन इज टॉस्ड 4 times by 4 times. ठीक है, find the probability that first 3 coins are heads. First 3 coins are heads means head head head, ये फिक्स है. अब दूसरा आखिरी वाला ये हेड होगा या तो टेल होगा. कितना है टोटल? टोटल जब 4 टाइम्स करोगे तो 2 पावर 4 आउटपुट्स होते हैं. टोटल 6. अब इसके लिए 1 नहीं है और ये 1 नहीं है, तो टोटल 2 है. इट्स 2 over 16. So we are adding the probability all favorables. एंड ये वाला आउटकम ना, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन भी होता है. यहाँ से इंक्रीज होगी, यहाँ से ये सिमेट्रिकल होता है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोलते हैं उसको. एंड लिटिल बिट गेट बैक हियर. एंड दूसरा क्या है? मिडिल टर्म, द मिडिल 2 कॉइन्स आर टेल्स. तो बीच वाला ये दोनों जो है ना, ये टेल्स होना चाहिए फिक्स. और बाकी दो का हेड और टेल, हेड और टेल, हेड और टेल, तो 4 ही बनेगा. यहाँ पे हेड और टेल, यहाँ हेड और टेल. तो ऑल 4 केसेस 4 by 16 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16. Copy and complete the table. 0 हेड्स आने वाला प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है? कोई भी हेड नहीं आना चाहिए, सबके सब टेल्स है. इट्स 1 over 16. 1 over 16. 1 हेड आना चाहिए. नंबर ऑफ हेड्स 1, ओनली 1 हेड ही आना चाहिए. ओके, सो h या तो इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा, इधर आएगा. दैट इज 4 by 16. 2 हेड्स आ सकता है, 2 हेड्स तो फिक्स है. 1 हेड फिक्स है, 1 हेड एक और जगह फिक्स है, और बाकी जगह हेड 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 टेल कुछ भी आ सकता है. So that is 4 cases. So 4 by 16. 4 by 16 are different. It is 6 by 16. Sorry. 6 by 16. 2 heads के लिए 6 by 16 कैसे है? They were tossing 2 times. You were tossing 4 times. यहाँ पे एक जगह पे हेड फिक्स है. हाँ, यहाँ पे पोजीशन वैल्यू भी तो आएगी. वो एक और 2 जगह पे आएगी. पोजीशन मीन्स ऐसे हेड हेड यहाँ पे होगा, हेड दूसरा यहाँ पे हो सकता है. ये दोनों हेड है, ये दोनों हेड है, ये दोनों हेड है, ये दोनों हेड है. ये पोजीशन है. 2 हेड्स अलग अलग जगह भी हो सकता है. तो टोटली यू विल गेट 6 heads. It is 6 over 16 and 4 over 16 and 1 over 16. डिस्क्राइब्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट इन ए डिफरेंट वे। ये छोड़ो, ये आपको समझ नहीं आएगा, छोड़ देते हैं। व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
Suppose that A, B, C, and D are independent events with with possibility A is equal to 1 over 8, possibility B is equal to 1 over 3, C is equal to 1 over 4, D is equal to 2 over 7. Use the product rule to find.
इंडिपेंडेंट है, एक दूसरे का कोई लेना देना नहीं है, सबको प्रोडक्ट करो। डिपेंडेंट होगा तो लफड़ा है, वो रिप्लेसमेंट वाला। सॉरी सॉरी
Yeah.
फॉर द लफड़ा एंड ऑल, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेरी वेरी लेस हिंदी टर्म्स। ओके, तो वो डिपेंडेंट का मतलब है इट शुड गेट बैक, इट शुड गेट बैक। इफ इट इज रिप्लेस्ड मीन्स नो प्रॉब्लम। इफ इट इज कीप सेपरेटेड देन दैट इज यू चेंज द आउटपुट। बस मोटा मोटा ये याद रखो भाई, आउटपुट सेट बदल गया तो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है, आउटपुट सेट नहीं बदला तो इंडिपेंडेंट है बस। Okay, here 1 over 8, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 2 over 7. So you have to do product, it is product of ABC. And this is product, it's product of A into product of B. ये सबके सब इंडिपेंडेंट है, इसका भी ऐसे,
Okay.
इसका भी ऐसे, सबको अपना अपना प्रोडक्ट करना है, एक दूसरे से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, बिकॉज इंडिपेंडेंट खुद ही बोला। नाउ अ कॉइन एंड डाई, ये तो अलग ही माहौल है, वो तो सूरज है, ये तो चंद्रमा है, तो वन कॉइन एंड वन डाई, कोई लेना देना होता ही नहीं है। ओके, so use a product rule of the probability obtaining 3 a 3 and a head. 3, what is the probability of 3? It's 1 over 6. Head is 1 over 2. What's the fair product? That's it. And a set of cards contains the numbers 1 2 3 4 5, and another set contains A B C D E. A card is drawn random from each set. एक कार्ड्स के ऊपर जो नाम है 1 2 3 4 5, दूसरे जो कार्ड से A B C D और E B है। One card is drawn at random from each set. वहां से एक कार्ड उठाया, यहाँ से एक कार्ड उठाया। Use product rule to get the find out the probability. 4 and B by ये 1 by 5, ये भी 1 by 5, बस सेम रूल है, everything is product rule. MATHS or a number and followed by letter from the MATHS, 1 2 3 4 5 लेटर्स ये, इसमें रिपीटेड होगा तो नहीं लेना। Okay, a number 4 means 1 by 5 1 by 5, that's it. I think mostly सबके सब ये, हाँ, it is odd number. Odd number means 3 numbers are there, it is 3 by 5 and C is 1 by 5, those kind of things are called. Okay, so you 4 and 5 you have to try, 4 and 5 you have to try. What is 6?
A die is rolled twice. Using the product rule, find the probability of throwing a 6 and then a 5.
For example, throwing die is automatically independent because they stick it together. हम एक बार डाई थ्रो करने के बाद ये 6 वाला स्टिकर को हटाएंगे थोड़ी, तो उसी के साथ ये दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट ये। ओके, द आउटकम व्हाट
Yeah.
6 एंड देन 5, पहला 6 आने के लिए सबके सब इंडिपेंडेंट है, ये तो इंडिपेंडेंट ही है।
1 over 12.
1 over 6 and 1 over 6, 1 over 36,
Or 36, yeah.
so similarly same thing. Let's come to this deck of cards.
From a standard pack of 50.
Please continue.
From a standard pack of 52 cards, 2 cards are drawn at random without replacement. Find the probability of drawing a spade and then a heart.
Without replacement मतलब वापस रखा है ये, उधर नहीं रखा, उधर रखेगा तो कार्ड पूरा छेड़छाड़ है, उसमें पूरा आपको
Yeah.
प्रोडक्ट उसी हिसाब से करना चाहिए। स्पेड एंड देन हार्ट। स्पेड मीन्स 13 by 52, हार्ट मीन्स 13 by 52, खत्म करो। And
So 1
you're
over
trying to
16.
it is 1 over 16. Now please tell me the answer for the second one.
Wait, no, it's not 1 over 16, is it?
Why?
Because it's without replacement.
Without replacement. Oh, sorry,
If
without replacement. With replacement, sorry, without replacement means they are not independent, they are the dependent. They are dependent. And a spade and then a heart. But here, okay, okay, think. Uh, let's
so it's 13 over 52
13 over
times
13 over 52. But let me think, let me think.
times 13 over 51.
First one is clear, 13 over 52. It's very clear. Okay. And the hearts are not effect means 13 over 52. 51. Clear?
Yeah.
Now please tell me this. Without replacement.
No.
First club.
13 over 52.
Very good. 13 over 52.
Plus 12 over 51.
Very good. Let's say 12 over 51. Card kept outside and one club already came. So that's why second is also in order to club. There are 12 clubs only. That's why you got. But here, one spade is already completed and second you are looking for the hearts because that is spade. You kept outside is for spade. So your output is 13 over 52 to 13 over 51. 13 over 52 to 12 over 51. A jack and a queen. How many jacks? 4 over 52. How many queens? 4 over 51. Because
4 over 51.
one card is less. One card is less. Okay. So here your output, your required probability will not affect in the numerator, but denominator will impact. Because, okay.
Yep.
So next, the king of diamonds. A king of diamonds and then the ace of clubs. A king of diamonds, a king of diamonds, and then the ace of clubs.
So 1 over 52.
King of diamond means
Plus.
1 over 52. And
And then 1 over
ace means
51.
1 over 51. Because there is no contradiction. Na? If the contradiction is there, numerator also reduce. If there is no conflict, then you have to keep your chasing. Most important, most important. It's the logic to it. Okay. Let's go with 12. A die is rolled because na see if I go with every problem it takes full length time because we should not waste the time. If you have the problem I will discuss it any time, no issue, but try to overlook those problems and all. If I sit to problem by problem in the beginning I did the same thing, but it takes time. No problem in dealing, but you are also able to do. You are also able to do. I don't think so that will not enough for you for understanding because I'm skipping one or two problems. Please try to follow. Try to follow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, a die is rolled twice. A die is rolled twice. Using the product rule, अब die जो है ना तो वो
Yeah.
बगल में थोड़ी रख सकते हैं, वापस पूरा die as it is लेना पड़ेगा. Okay. A
Yeah.
double 2. It's 1 over 36. 1 over 2 2. 1 over 36. 1 by 6.
Yeah.
2. Second one is also 1. Come to F. A 1 and a 4 in any order. A 1 and a 4 means 1 4 4 1.
1 over
Any
9.
order means ये दोनों same है. 1 4 भी आ सकता है, 4 1 भी आ सकता है. Order is not important. So they are same. It's a 1 over 36. Next, even number in any order. Even number in any order. So there are 3 even numbers are there. So 1 over 2 and again 1 over 2, because it is 3 over 6. 3 even numbers are there total, and again if you draw you will have the same 3 even numbers. Even number and 5 in any order. Sorry. In any order means you have to take they are the only cases. What is this? Even number. Sorry, this is 2. This is 2 over 36, because both are same. Even number means 2 4 6. 2 4 6, and a 5 in any order means 5. This is 1 over 6. This is 3 over 6. It is a product rule. It is 3 over 36. But it is when it comes to here and it comes to here, you have to multiply by 2. It is 6 over 36. The answer is 1 over 6. Answer is 1 over 6. Have a look into it. Answer is 1 over 6. Application is not working fine. I think you're here. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. तो ना application पे से काम चल रहा है तो जाम हो चुका है. It is not listening. It just close up, Control S. Come on. Okay. An archer fires 3 shots at a bull's eye. He has 90% of chance hitting a bull's eye. Using H or for hit and M for miss. List 8 possible outcomes. He has 3 shots. 3 shots. Hit or miss. Hit or miss. Hit or miss. Okay. List all 8 probabilities. Yes, we have 8 possibilities. Okay. All hits, all miss, hit miss, miss hit. So it is total 8 probable. What are the 8 outcomes? Hit, hit, hit. That's the one more thing is also there. Hit, miss, hit, miss, hit, miss, hit, hit. Replace M and H. You will get the rest 4. Total 8 you will get it. Hit the bull's eye 3 times. By एक ही है 1 over 8. It is just like head tail combination only. Just T is replaced with M. Rest all same. Rest all same. Probability of tree diagram. Okay, let's just stop here. Okay, we don't need to go for the challenge because it is self-explanatory, self-proof. You need a PDF.
Okay.
Okay, I'll stop here, but for tomorrow, the same session, same time, I think, or a little bit, either 2 or 3 at least. I will try to stick to 3. Okay, so tomorrow we'll deal both chemistry only, 2 hours chemistry. Control S.
Okay.
Because it is 3:40, almost you also food up and I also food up. Just give me 1 second. 11. 3:47. भाई ये जो करियर एंडेवर की जो टीचर है ना, इट्स अ कोचिंग, बहुत बड़ा कोचिंग है.
Okay.
मैं उन्होंने क्लासेस ले लिया and it is a positive sign. He said that Naresh, you are okay because no, that is PhD syllabus, not PG syllabus. It's a full-fledged PG master syllabus. Okay, so
Yep.
there it is a tough job to deal. But I explained with a calm. कॉन्सेप्ट तो मेरा क्लियर है ही है. इतने साल पढ़ाने के बाद थोड़ी हम नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे, ऐसे थोड़ी होगा. Okay, okay. I shared the document. You will get it. We'll see. But let me
Okay.
check. Let me check. Stop streaming.